Hey, what's up, people? This is your homeboy, Joe Fiorello, aka Joe Theoretical, aka MC Hamsaplo. I'm here with Riley, the crazy cat. Come to bring you a message of goodwill and awesomeness. I come to bring you a special offer to all my fans and friends out there. So I figured out how to make ringtones for your phone. I actually put one on my phone, on my iPod. And I am willing to offer these for free to anyone who wants them because Joe Theoretical is uh, most generous like that. So here's how it sounds on my phone. I don't know, maybe you like it, maybe you don't. If you do like it, let me know because I will gladly give it to you for free if you want. Here's maybe the better sounding version of it. Yeah. So if you want that ringtone, let me know. If you want a ringtone, specially designed and created by Joe Fiorello, aka Joe Theoretical himself, let me know as well. I could like specially design something for you whenever I have time. I can email it to you. So yeah, so if you want this ringtone, hit me up, comment, give me your email address. I'll forward it over to you or something, and then yeah, and that's it. Send me a message. Send you love. Joe Theoretical appreciates it. Anyway, peace out.